Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple dress-up game in Scratch. First, we're going to want to delete the cat, choose a sprite, and they have a bunch of people here, so we're going to choose one of them. I think Harper was made for dress-up, so let's choose Harper. Let's go to costumes, and I want to keep the second one. So now, we're going to go back to code, drag Harper to the middle of the screen, then we're going to choose another sprite, and this time it's going to be the clothes. So they have dress, pants, they have a shirt, and a bow. I'll take the hat and the bow. So now, we don't need a lot of code for the dresses, it's just one block. And that will be in sensing. And that block is set mode draggable. So you can drag the clothes onto her. So we're gonna drag these into each of the clothes. Okay, let's check that all of them have it. So we're gonna click this to activate the clock. Alright, now we can drag the clothes around. But if this was a shared project, then you wouldn't be able to drag the clothes around without this block. So we can drag all of the clothes into one corner of the screen. And also, we could also make it so that some of these have multiple costumes, like the hat, the dress, the pants, and the bow tie is just one. So, for the dress, the pants, and the hat, we're going to drag out the green flag clip. So we're going to drag out in this sprite click, next costume. So when I click on it, it goes to the next costume. We're going to duplicate this and put this into the pants. And then we're going to put this into the hat. So now we can start, and if we want to change it, we click on it. But see how these shoulder things get in the way? I'm going to really quickly go to costumes and remove the shoulder part. Dress up here, and then we could change it as we wanted this dress. We also could change it to this one. So we could also put a bow tie in her hair, and we should make the bow tie so that if you click it, it can turn. So when this sprite click, turn 15 degrees. Now it looks better. We'll put it in her hair. And now let's give her some pants and a shirt. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video, and bye.